If you're running ads, Facebook or Google, I'm going to break down all the different scenarios on which platform you should be choosing based on your niche, product, price, and sales process. So let's go right into this. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you want us to run your Facebook or your Google ads, click the first link in the description. It's our Calendly, book a demo call, and get ready to rock and roll. Okay? So if you're running Facebook or Google, what decisions are you going to make to pick which platform? So if you are in the following niches, if you're a coach, okay, if you're a consultant, or you're a service provider, okay, also if you're e-com. The biggest reasons that I use Google are home services, brand retargeting, okay, this is for YouTube, okay, I'm going to get into like why, this is mostly for coaches and consultants, okay. Okay, this is like webinar funnels, VSLs, etc. I'm only going to be going into YouTube though if I'm using Hyros. Okay, so Facebook is coaches, consultant, service provider, e-com, okay, webinars, okay, low ticket. Okay, if I'm running VSLs, okay, if I'm doing any recruiting, I'll use Facebook. Also, if I have like a group, like a school group, I'll run ads from social to get that. Also, if my offer requires more like messaging, I'll do that. So like running Instagram DM ads would help out a ton. If I'm sitting there and I'm getting my business off the ground, I'm starting with Facebook first. I'm proving my offer and content on Facebook first. I start scaling my spend. Let's say I get to, $200, $300 a day, okay? If I'm scaling at $200, $300 a day, then I would go to Google. But only if my ads are search intent, and that's a big part of this. Like if I'm not running a coaching or consulting or home service offer, I have to have something that's massively search intent, because if I'm going to Google, then I'm doing, Google shopping, like Performance Max, okay, things that are intent. Facebook is more for impulse offers, or what we call awareness intent. So I had a client who does like a luxury concierge car service. That's not Facebook. That's Google, because it's search intent, right? They have intent behind searching local concierge car service in Austin. That is an intent-based platform. Looking for a new roof in Austin. New roofing, like get my new roof and all, like that's search intent. But you can use Facebook for lead forms, and then also traffic and opt-ins. But then with home services, you then run lead forms, traffic, and opt-ins, and you can retarget them on Google. Or if you run the traffic on Google, you can then retarget them with Facebook. So I've seen this done a lot. So if I'm running a very Google search intent heavy, like search intent heavy offer, then I will use Facebook to retarget, because my Facebook pixel is on the landing page. So if I'm running that luxury concierge service and I'm spending $200 a day there, okay, to $300 a day on Google, then I'm going to say, all right, I'm getting probably 100 to 125 clicks a day. Now I'm going to retarget you on Facebook. So now the only things that I'm running on Facebook are custom audiences. So that's how I juggle them back and forth. Like this has been my biggest methodology about Facebook and Google, because a lot of people are like, oh, like what do I run? Blah, blah, blah. Like other thing too is if you're running e-com, you would run TikTok too. Okay, but obviously there's things about it getting banned right now. So, and also with e-com, you can run e-com with Google because of Google Shopping. Okay, so Google Shopping and PerfMax is great for e-com. Okay, if you're running like local events, you can run local events on Google, but you can also run local events on Facebook. Like I do that as well. We run events every 2 weeks across the entire US. So we're always running ads for local events, because I can do a lot of mile radius targeting. And then I can also do search intent around my brand name, or scale your ads and retarget them on Google. So it's very give and take. It's very juggling back and forth. You gotta really prove the concept first on Facebook though, because if people don't like your offer on Facebook where it's more impulse and awareness, then they're not gonna want it on search intent. And that's the biggest piece, is that Facebook is where you get, awareness for some offers, And then with Google, it is conversion on, one click because it's more intent. So if your conversion rates are high on Facebook, they're going to be high on Google or YouTube if you have a coaching, consulting, or a webinar-based offer. So I hope this breaks this down for you in a way where you now understand where your decision is going to be made. And like another thing too is if you have competitors in your area that are running a lot of Facebook heavy stuff, you can retarget their name on Google. So if you're a med spa or you're like a barbershop, okay, take all your competitors' names and just retarget their name on Google so that you show up above the Google Maps and Google My Business. So that's another hack too. So just keep in mind, like, you really got to think about your customer journey and how people make decisions for your business. So with that being said, I hope this clears the air and gives you some clarity. If you want us to run your Facebook and Google ads, use this exact strategy for you, click the link, first link in the description, Calendly, book a demo call, and we'll be happy to assist. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.